So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get started in Forex trading basically from scratch. And to make things simple, I'm going to be teaching my fiancé, who is totally a beginner, in a way that I would have taught you how to trade. So to get started, I'm going to invite Miss Abba to come sit with me so that I teach her how to trade from scratch in a way that I would have taught you as a beginner to trade from scratch. So welcome, Miss Abba. Anyway, what do you think about Forex, or what do you think Forex trading is?
It's your job.
What do you understand with Forex?
Trading currencies.
Okay, that's not bad.
Maybe let me think about it first.
No, that's fine. That's fine. No, you're a beginner.
Exchange. Is it exchange?
Exchange what?
Buying and selling of stuff
Where?
on the Forex market.
Where is the Forex market?
Online.
Okay, that's a fair idea. Anyway, so what you have to understand first is that we are trading on the market, right? International market. And then in trading, we have people that specializes in trading stocks, right? Stocks are like, for companies, their shares, and then we have people that specialize in trading in commodities, right? Commodities like cocoa, like oil, like gold, right? And then we have people that even today, present day, we've had people that trade cryptocurrencies, which is like, that online money sort of, so there are different markets in the world, right? But I specialize in the currency market, which is exchanging like one country's currency for another, like the way we would literally be doing it in the Forex bureau, but this time we're doing it literally online, so we're not going to be going much into details, but I want to get you started as quickly as possible, right? So I'm going to summarize some of the things that you need to know as a beginner trader. So I'm going to be telling you like the basic things that you need first when you want to get started in trading, right? The number one thing that you need to get started in trading is a broker. Do you know who a broker is?
The middleman.
Yeah, so it looks like you have a fair idea. You've been learning a lot.
It's your job.
Anyway, so a broker works like, the way we have banks doing some transactions for us, right? Like you have your bank who is not as good as mine.
Excuse me. Your bank is horrible.
Anyway, so like, you can give some orders to your bank, pay school fees for me, do this for me. That's like the same way brokers work, right?
Okay.
So a broker will basically be the one that you're going to fund your trading account, right? Before you even get access to the trading platform, right? Because you are treating the broker as your bank, there are certain requirements before you can be validated to start trading, right? Which is they'll need you to have, your proof of residence and then your identification card, to verify your trading account, right? And then if you really want to create a trading account, a simple way to go about it with respect to the broker I use is Exness, right? Click on any of my videos, go into the description, and then you're going to see a link to Exness here. So once you click it, you can create your trading account. So we're going to create your trading account for you, right? So this is Exness. You go into any of my videos, you click the link, directs you to Exness. So new account, right? We're going to create new account right here, which is just right here. New account. So yeah, we're going to fill in your basic details. You're from Ghana.
I told you.
Where are you from?
Ghana.
Okay. And then your email. So what is your email?
Eunice.
Okay. Are you going to share your password with me?
No. What?
Yeah, so now you've created a trading account. This is your brokerage platform, right? Everything you're seeing here is your brokerage platform. And then I think that, it's very easy for you to understand getting yourself around this place, right? Yeah. This is your account. If you end up creating a real account, this is where you're going to create it, right? And then if you want to deposit, withdrawal, transaction history, basically everything. Now, this is where it gets a little bit, serious in the sense that you have to verify your trading account before you can actually start trading real. Most brokers will allow you to deposit before you even verify your account, but the drawdown or the drawback with that is that you can deposit and trade while you haven't verified your account. But if you want to withdraw, they're not going to make you withdraw until you actually verify. So you got to go ahead with verifying your trading account. Now, this is not where you're going to be trading, right? This is only the brokerage platform where you're going to be funding your trading account, withdrawing,
So that's where I
having
put my money.
this where you put your money.
Okay.
But this is not where you trade. You get it? This is different from the platform where you place the trade, buy, sell. This is not it. This is just the brokerage account where you put your money and then you see whatever is going on in your account, right? Now, where you trade is the trading platform. So if you come here where the help is, right,
Okay.
you're going to see what MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, web terminal, traders calculator, blah blah blah. Basically all the essential tools you would need to get started, right? Now, if you're using a computer, you could have downloaded this MetaTrader 4, which is the trading platform. One thing that you must understand when it comes to MetaTrader 4 is that you can't just go online and then search MetaTrader 4, you want to download it, right? Once you have created a broker's account, then you can now go into the broker's platform and then download their MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader is an independent technology company that creates that trading platform, but they have relationship with every broker. You get it? So now every broker has their own MetaTrader 4 in their website. So if you want to download MetaTrader 4 on your laptop, then you would download it from this point when you click on what MetaTrader 4. If you're using iOS, if you're using iMac, if you're using whatever it is, then you can download it for Android, for Windows, for iOS, whatever it is, right? Okay. But if you're using a mobile phone, which is what you're going to start with, right, then you can just go on your, if you're using iPhone, you go to your App Store, and then you just type MetaTrader 4, and then you download it, right? Yeah. So once you download it, the difference between the web or computer MetaTrader 4 and then the app one is that with the app one, not every broker have their own, MetaTrader 4. It's one. It's on the App Store, just one MetaTrader 4. You get a difference. Yeah. Now that you have a brokerage account and then you have your MetaTrader 4 downloaded, right? Let's start off with now creating a trading account, right? You've not created a trading account yet. You've just created a brokerage account and then downloaded your MetaTrader 4, which is your trading platform, right? Where you're going to be executing the buys and sell. Now, let's go here and create your first demo account. And I'll use that to explain some of the things to you, right? So we open a new account. So we're going to try demo. So you see there are different accounts, right? They have the standard sense, professional, blah blah blah. Let's start with the standard account, which is like the most popular, right? So we try demo, right? So we're going to be trading on the MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5. That's the difference. Don't choose MetaTrader 5. You're going to use the MetaTrader 4. Now, when it comes to leverage, right? This is where I also explain what leverage means to you. So leverage is like a borrowed fund to you by the broker, but it comes at no fee. It's just free, right? Now, how do you understand the leverage? Let's say originally, you see, one thing about trading also is that if you're starting out and then you are even trying to practice on a demo, you should put a realistic amount there. Most people start trading, they get started, and then in the demo account they have 1 million. Meanwhile, they know that they've not even seen 10,000 in their account before. So you want to set a realistic balance. So I'm going to set $500 for you because I can afford to give you 500.
Yes, you can.
So how much should we set?
500 is enough.
Yeah. So $500, and then we're going to use the USD dollar, right?
Yeah.
Now with XNet, they allow you to even choose a base currency in so many countries denomination, right? We could even set your starting balance in Ghana cedis, but we're going to be using dollars, right? Now back to the leverage, right? So let's say you're starting with $500, right? You're starting with $500. You're supposed to choose a leverage. If you look here, there are so many percentages, right? You can see one is to unlimited, one is to 2,000, one is to 1,000, blah blah blah, right? Now what this means is that if you decide to choose any of the leverage, let's say, which one would you have loved to choose?
One is to unlimited.
No, choose a realistic one for now.
One is to 500.
Okay, you decided to choose one is to, no, there's no 500. Let's say 600 for XNet. One is to 600, right?
Yeah.
You decided to choose one is to 600. What this means is that you multiply 500 by 600, right? What is that going to give you? 300,000. Now, this 300,000 sort of represents how much realistically you can control on the market. Do you get it?
No.
So you actually funded a $500 account,
Yeah.
right? But you chose a leverage of 1:600, and I told you the leverage is like a borrowed fund
Okay.
from the broker.
Oh, okay.
So how you tend to see the real amount that you have control of is by multiplying your account balance by the leverage.
Okay.
So you have what? 300,000 to control on the market. It makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does.
Now that you understand that you can control 300, it doesn't mean that you can actually, trade to a maximum loss tune of 300,000, right? Now the broker has literally borrowed you 500 out of this 300,000. So if you're making a loss, you can make a loss only up to the tune of 500, which is your account balance, but not entering that 299,500 or something. You get what I mean? Yeah. So you can only make a loss up to the tune of. But if you're making profit, you can make unlimited profit.
Oh,
Even if you're going to make 1 million, that's it.
I like that.
But now we're going to go into another realistic aspect of it, which is what lot size means, right?
Yes.
Now, lot size is what you're going to be placing in terms of the transactions you're going to be doing on the market, right? So because I am training you as just a beginner to get started easily, we're not going to be, explaining all the details, complex things in trading, but I'm just getting you started to have a trading account and then start practicing. You get it? So just understand lot size as that, amount that you'll be placing per transactions, right?
Okay.
Another thing that you have to also understand is that when it comes to trading, we trade in pairs, right? Currency are quoted in pairs, right? So if let's say we're talking about, one of those most popular currency pairs, we have GBP, USD, right? So currencies are also, listed in their initials, right?
Okay.
So GBP basically means Great Britain pounds versus what the United States dollar, right?
Yes.
And then you're going to see something like this on the screen when you enter the trading platform and with all those charts, right? Let's say 1.4021. Now this 1.4021 basically means that if you have £1, you're going to get $1 42 cents 40.21 cents if you exchange it, right?
Okay.
But that's just as far as you need to know. Now that you also have your trading account ready, right, and then you understand leverage and then you understand lot size, right? Let me explain exactly what you'll be doing with respect to the lot size as well. With a lot size, a standard lot, so lot size is basically like a measurement, like if you go to the market and then you're even buying Gary, the market woman will put it into Olonka, blah 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 for you.
Yeah.
So in the market too, we have lot sizes, right? So lot size of 1 is equivalent to you trading a tune of 100,000, right? Remember that because you chose a leverage of 600 by your 500, you can control 300,000.
Yeah.
So if you trade one lot, it means that 100,000 has been put aside out of this 300,000. So maximum, you already know that what the maximum lot size you can place based on your leverage you chose is what, 3 lots.
3 lots.
But what you also must understand is that with your one lot, every pip movement, now I'll explain what pip is before I even continue this. Remember that when I listed this, I said the exchange rate could be 1.40, let's say 21, right?
Yes.
Sometimes you have what we call the pipettes, they added on the last one, which let's say 210, right? But let's forget about this last 5th decimal place. Let's focus on the 4th decimal place. The 4th decimal place is the pip. Now, if this one moves from 4021 to 4022, right? That's how many pips moved? 1 pip.
1.
And that 1 pip, if it's one lot, then that 1 pip movement, if it's in your favor or against your favor, is equivalent to $10.
Okay.
If it is 0.1, then that's also basically a 10,000, whose equivalent monetary terms is what? $1.
$1.
You get it?
Yeah.
And then the market can move really fast. The pips, 20 pips, 50 pips. So you really don't want to be risking one lot on your new $500 account.
Okay.
So be using anything less than 0.1, so that for any pip movement, you're going to lose or win $1 per pip movement in your favor or against you. So if you make 10 pips, then that's $10.
Yes.
If you lose 10 pips, that's $10 out of your 500. It's not going to hurt your account, right?
True.
Now, finally, what we're going to be doing is connecting your trading account, right? So first, you even have to create your trading password, right? So create a password. So now you've created your trading account, right?
Yeah.
Your first demo account, which is the balance of 500.
Yay.
Why are you looking excited?
I have money.
Now, this is your trading account number. The broker will generate that for you automatically, right? Your trading account number, right?
Alright.
Which is like you having a bank account. If you click here, it's going to show all the details, right? You can rename the account to your nickname, Miss Abba, or whatever it is.
Actually, my real.
Now, I want to look at the server on which your account number is on. It's very important. If you don't know what your server is, you can't even log in, right? So let's look at the account information. They say what? Xness Trial 2. That becomes your server, right? You see this?
Yeah.
Very important. So Xness Trial 2 is your server. Your login is this, right?
Okay.
Account login, and then you remember your password, right?
Yes.
So now you can go onto your MT4 that you downloaded to
Yeah.
log in. Let's try that now. So you come here, add where the plus is, log into an existing account. You really want to use the log, not open a demo. Use the login to existing account. Click it, and then you're going to search Xness Trial 2, which is the server you were given, right? So Xness Trial 2 is just here, right? You click on Trial 2. Now your login was 2206 57 82. That's it.
That's it.
And then you put in your password. Yeah, so there you have it. Your 500 demo account is reflected here, right?
Yes.
Now you are ready to trade.
Hey.
You have your 500 demo account ready. Now, when you come to the quotes, that is where the currencies are, right? So you see that there's just a few. If you want to add more, you just click on the plus here. You go to Forex group, and then there are so many other ones here, right?
Yeah.
Now, you're not going to be able to trade all these ones here, right? Because they're just a lot. So personally, professionals just select a few and then specialize, just like myself, and then we trade it, right?
Yeah.
So now that you're ready to trade, we're just going to try. Today's Sunday, so we're not going to be even able to place any trade, but we're going to run you through, let's say, how you would have decided to trade, let's say, Euro USD, right? You come to trade, and then you see here where the market execution is just beneath it, you have 0.10. So that 0.10 is the lot size, which I said never go above.
Yes.
Because of your small account size. So let's say you want to trade 0.05, you just type 0.05, right? And then if you want to buy or sell, you click it based on your analysis that you have done for Euro USD, right? Now, to make things easier for you, or to make your entry level into Forex trading easier for you, I'm going to put you into my VIP.
Okay.
So that any trade that I put there, you can also just replicate it. So when you see Euro USD, you just go onto your platform, you search for Euro USD, you could just say sell at this, and then stop loss at this. You set those parameters just here. So the stop loss is here, right? Let's say you want to trade Euro USD. The lot size is here.
Yes.
The stop loss is here. You put in the exact stop loss that I put in the group, and then you put the exact take profit that I put there. Then you place the trade. If it's a sell, you click sell. If it's buy, you place buy. And then the result will be shown in your trading account if it goes in our favor or against us. So that's a quick start into how to get started in Forex trading, right? So I believe you guys really learned a lot with this short, well, maybe a little bit longer video. But if you like this video, make sure to click in the link in the description to first join the Telegram community. Smash the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and follow me on all social media at KOJOFOREX. You want to feature on social media? No. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Y'all see my ring? See it? You see it? You feel it? You like it? Yeah, I got it right, baby.
Oh, let it come in.
Baby.
angelic somebody.
Uh-huh.
I want you somebody.
Hey.
And I need somebody.
I.
You
You
there.
did pass my brain.
Hey.
You did pass my head.
Hey.
You did pass
I'll let
my
it come in.
head.